episode inside. All set now, ready to race number 12. The favorite, Shamu Pamilya. Second choice, Mega Red, also selling Pure Motion Superior Art. Anytime now, race number 12. And the race on Superior Art from the outside, Shamu Pamilya. Moving up is Lady Kin at Superior Art. And on the outside is Sport Speed. Down on the inside, Pinoy yata ito. Superior Art, Shamu Pamilya. Pinoy yata ito. Lady Kin, Mega Red Racing on the outside, Sport Speed. Janel's episode. Down on the inside, Newsmaker, Capret Yosa, Pure Motion, Portlas, Black Label, Sugar Free, and Fisher Champ. And rounding the far turn, Shamu Pamilya, Superior Art, Mega Red, Pinoy yata ito, Janel's episode. As they race the final corner, Shamu Pamilya is on the outside, Mega Red on the further outside, and Lady Kin a long shot. Lady Kin, Shamu Pamilya, Pinoy yata ito, and Pure Motion rushing up. It's Lady Kin, Shamu Pamilya, Pure Motion on the outside, and finally it's going to be Pure Motion, Lady Kin. 9, Shamu Pamilya, number 1, Pinoy yata ito, and Superior Art.